Ever found yourself staring blankly at your inbox, wondering where that confirmation or payment receipt vanished to after booking an appointment online? You're not alone. In today's fast-paced world, where every minute counts and digital transactions are the norm, keeping track of bookings and payments is crucial. And if you're a user of Acuity Scheduling, a popular platform for managing appointments and client interactions, a question might have popped into your head. Can Acuity send receipts? That's exactly what we're diving into today. Forget the lengthy introductions and generic, welcome back to the channel. Let's get straight to the heart of the matter because your time is valuable, and knowing how to manage your records efficiently is essential. Acuity Scheduling has become a go-to tool for a wide range of professionals, from therapists and coaches to salon owners and consultants. Its intuitive interface and robust features make managing schedules, client communication, and even payments a breeze. But when money changes hands, whether it's for a consultation, a service, or a class, the need for a clear record, a receipt, becomes paramount for both the business and the client. Think about it from the client's perspective. They've just invested in your services and naturally expect a confirmation of their payment. A receipt not only serves as proof of transaction but also provides crucial details like the date, amount paid, services booked, and potentially cancellation policies. This transparency builds trust and fosters a positive client relationship. Now, let's flip the coin and consider the business owner. Having a systematic way to generate and send receipts streamlines your accounting processes. It helps you keep track of income, reconcile payments, and provides a clear audit trail. This is especially important during tax season or when reviewing your business's financial health. So, back to our initial question. Can Acuity Scheduling handle this vital aspect of sending receipts? The short answer is yes, absolutely. Acuity is equipped with features that allow you to automatically send receipts to your clients upon successful booking and payment. However, like with any powerful tool, understanding how this works and the various options available is key to leveraging it effectively. Acuity primarily handles receipts in a couple of key ways, deeply integrated into its booking and payment workflows. When a client books an appointment that requires payment, and the transaction is successfully processed through one of Acuity's integrated payment processors, like Stripe or PayPal, the system is designed to automatically trigger the sending of a confirmation email. This email isn't just a simple thank you for your booking. It often includes details that function as a receipt. Let's break down what information you can typically find in an Acuity-generated confirmation email that acts as a receipt. Date and time of booking. This clearly indicates when the appointment was scheduled. Service or appointment name. The specific service the client booked is detailed. Price paid. The exact amount charged for the service is clearly stated. Payment method. While specific card details aren't usually included for security reasons, the payment method, e.g., Visa, MasterCard, PayPal, might be mentioned. Your business name and contact information. This ensures the client knows who they paid and how to reach you. Location, if applicable, if your services are location-specific, this information is usually included. Cancellation or rescheduling policies. Sometimes, these important terms are also reiterated in the confirmation email. This automated system is a significant time saver. Imagine having to manually generate and send a receipt for every single booking. Acuity takes care of this seamlessly in the background, ensuring your clients receive immediate confirmation and a record of their payment. However, it's important to understand that the level of detail in these automated confirmation emails can sometimes depend on your Acuity settings and the payment processor you're using. For instance, you might have the option to customize the content of these emails to include additional information or a more detailed breakdown of charges if applicable. Furthermore, Acuity also provides you, the business owner, with a record of all transactions within your account. You can typically access reports that show payment history, allowing you to track income and reconcile your accounts. This internal record-keeping complements the client-facing receipts. Now, let's consider some nuances and best practices related to sending receipts with Acuity. Payment processor integration is key. Acuity itself doesn't process payments directly. It integrates with third-party payment processors like Stripe, Square, and PayPal. Ensure your payment gateway is correctly set up and connected to your Acuity account for the automated receipt system to function. The specific features and the level of detail in the receipts might slightly vary depending on the processor. Email customization. Take the time to review and customize your confirmation email templates within Acuity. You can often add your branding, include specific messages, or ensure all the necessary information for a receipt is present and clearly formatted. This adds a professional touch and enhances the client experience. Troubleshooting missing receipts. If a client reports not receiving a receipt, there are a few things to check. First, ensure their email address was entered correctly during booking. Second, ask them to check their spam or junk folders. Finally, verify within your Acuity account that the confirmation email was indeed sent. You might also need to check your payment processor's dashboard for transaction details. Refunds and adjustments. When processing refunds or adjustments through Acuity or your payment processor, it's good practice to communicate this clearly to the client. While Acuity might not automatically send a refund receipt in the same way it sends a payment receipt, you can often manually communicate the refund details via email. Keeping a clear record of these adjustments within your Acuity or payment platform is also crucial. Beyond basic receipts. For businesses that require more detailed invoices or receipts with line item breakdowns, especially if you're selling packages or have complex pricing structures, you might need to explore additional options. While the standard Acuity confirmation email serves as a basic receipt, for more intricate scenarios, you might consider integrating with accounting software or using Acuity's reporting features to generate more detailed financial records for your own use. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.